Nice one.
Hi everyone!
Welcome to our vlog. Okay, so
Hi everyone! So yes, let's do this. Impromptu.
impromptu raw.
Okay, so magbungkag ang food ko. For sure. Saan sa manang buhaton?
So,
What's
what
this?
did you bring with you going home this weekend?
Every time that I go home, I use this bag.
So, this is from Shopee.
This one.
During the
Shopee
11/11.
11/11,
sorry.
right?
Yeah.
Ah, 11/11, 10/10.
I don't know. You're the one who.
10/10, not 11/11. 10/10. Okay.
So,
So
how much is
first-
that, by the way?
From 600 something, almost 700 to almost 300.
But that was already good for two, right? The
Yeah.
300 is that one.
No,
300
this is
each.
200 something.
200 something. Okay, 200 something from 600. So is it worth it?
But if you are very girly, and if you prefer
For girly? What do you mean girly?
kind of pink, kind of pastel colors, or blue, or mint green,
Yeah.
or mga basic colors, neutral colors, and if you are into brandy bags like Nike or what else, Adidas, so this bag is not fit for you. Okay, but you know me, I'm fine with any kind of bag as long as it's looking like it fits to me.
Okay.
First things first, we will start with the smallest liter.
Okay.
Okay, you have to focus that. Actually, I haven't put it here yet. Coins. This is 3 coins, or yeah, 3
Those are
2, or these are coins, and the 2 coins are from Canada.
So is that like a lucky charm?
Yeah, I guess so. This is from my tita from
Okay.
Canada.
Okay.
So this is Queen Elizabeth, I guess. Yeah, Elizabeth II.
Mm-hmm.
And then wait, just focus my bag. I'm going to bring also my pins.
I showed
So-
them, not just the bag. Okay.
Okay, pins. So
Forget
this
the pins.
from SM
Okay.
accessories.
Actually, I like these pins,
Yeah.
guys. It's durable.
Unlike with the the very cheap black ones,
Mm.
like you can only use it for like once or twice. After that, it will. How do you say that?
Loose.
Ano siya?
It will become loose.
Yeah, it will become loose, and then it siya clips in book. So this one is really the best. It has many pins inside, but this is only the ones that I have left, and this is almost 100 pesos only. Okay, like you have colors brown and green. Okay.
Let focus. Okay.
So next is, so if you are wondering why we are speaking English, because
John Feng, baka naman.
this bag is intended for hiking, trekking.
Yes.
So yan siya rugged. So maybe you are wondering why we are always speaking in English. Speaking in English, so it's because we have some of our Korean students here in Nanuri who also watch our vlogs. So especially when they go to Korea, they said that they're going to endorse our vlog. So maybe next time our vlog will be most of the content, or most of the videos will be all about mukbang. Filipino mukbang. Okay, Filipino food mukbang. Okay, let's go now to the second bucket. Second is okay, wala pa na ako siya nakuha. This is I BH the menu of ribs and bibs. Okay, when we had a lunch date with my mom. Paniud to ragod to.
Yeah, lunch date. It's still a date.
Date.
You can
Okay.
just see them on their social media.
Let's go to SM Downtown. Third floor, okay. Second,
Okay.
second is the USB. This owned by my grandmother.
Only 1 gig. I think you have to.
I was very amazed. You know, I was very overwhelmed because I told her that please give me your USB because I will put there many songs, and then I was copy pasting from my laptop, so I was very excited when I went home. But when we tried to insert this one in her Bluetooth speaker,
You know they're seeing the curtain. It's okay.
you know what?
Uh-huh.
There are only 2-3 songs out of like more than 100 songs that I have taken time to copy and paste. Sorry. 1 gig.
At least.
Diba?
At least.
Sa ito, look, Bisaya ay English songs and pero this lacks a kernel. But it's been months, I guess, or 3 months, 2 months.
Were you able
na.
to put new songs in there?
No, I haven't yet. Maybe.
The songs from me?
I haven't yet.
Let me have it tomorrow.
Maybe. Next is...
So it's good that we vlogged it.
Next is the pin that I use, from the last Sabbath. Next is what else? Another coin, 1 peso coin. Hindi akong kwarta, guys.
Usually do not mind coins before, but now you do. Adulting.
Every penny counts.
That is adulting.
Yeah. Next is, an improvised,
Yeah.
what do you call this? Sulanan of my
Case, earphone case.
Oh.
So she didn't buy any earphone case. This is the Thumbtacks case, and she just paid all use. Why not, people? Right?
It's, it's budget friendly.
Yeah. So it's
And then
free.
you can still also hang it.
So if you have Thumbtacks cases there, you can give it to her.
Next, okay, we are on the third. Or there are 1, 2, 3 compartments. 200 pesos.
Compartments. I think, yeah,
Compartments. Okay. Next is
Yeah. Just bought.
Newly bought. Newly delivered from Shopee. Ting, ting, ting. This is a face shield, yeah. I'll be using this one tomorrow. I'm very excited. Pag di namin magsige palit, then throw, char. So, it's better to buy this kind of face shield than to always buy with a 10 pesos nga dali siya maguba, magaras and all. You know, di ba? It's very ulaw to dress up. But
And of
your
course,
facial is very scratchy and very dirty. So why not? Only less than 100 because they are in a 12 sale.
yeah, and I think it will save us some penny. Right?
Some penny. I'm always buying 10 pesos. I'm always spending 10. Okay, next is my home quarantine pass. Okay. Next is my... Dang, what was this? My... Ta-da! Ta-da! My power bank. This is
I think-
from Canada.
You're just really very proud of it
Yeah.
because it helps
It's been
you.
like-
It has been helping you.
Oh, it has I have this one since almost 4 years now or 3 years.
Ooh.
I guess so.
So it's really worth the.
Yeah, worth it, and it has 10,400 mAh battery stream.
So we actually don't know what's the meaning of MA.
Yeah, but-
I think it's something like about the the battery.
but then
Battery
you
life.
can also use this one as flashlight.
Wow.
So double purpose. Thank you so much. Gave this. You.
You know yourself.
Know yourself. Bikini man. Baka naman. Wala na mag- Okay, next is very tiny, very small, but terrible. Okay? Next is Of course, I can't live without my watch. This is a gift from my mom. Thank you, Mama. Next is... We're
Also
done
from
with that.
Shopee.
Asa? Kani?
Yeah, ordered
This
from
one?
Lazada or Shopee.
No.
Ah, okay. She bought it.
Somewhere. Someone. Okay, we are done with the third compartment. We're gonna go to the biggest compartment. Okay. What's with the echo bag? Actually, para sila kadako. Marag, susunod na ni ambag ako isunod dire. Okay. Okay. So, what I have here is Bluetooth microphone speaker.
Newly bought.
Yeah, newly bought.
Who requested that?
Yeah, this is a request from my youngest baby brother. So, he said that please buy me this kind of, because he loves singing. So, I hope this helps. Okay. And I hope that our house will be filled with noise of him singing and not murmuring. Okay. Next is another
Package.
package with the masking tape.
Come on,
No,
that's
this
an
is
effort.
not, an effort from Shopee. This is an effort from me. Okay, this is again, what's inside this one is another face shield for my mom, like this one, and a new charger, fast charger from Oppo that I'm going to be giving to my family also, because their chargers are now working well, so they need new one. So lastly is the charger of this one. Of course, Android is live. Next is...
There's more?
There's more. Next is...
Are you gonna show your...
Almost done. Just two. Next is... Amway. This is Amway. This is Amway, right?
Yeah.
Nutrilite. Just the cover. This is
Just the case.
Just the case, and also the cover. It's just Nutrilite.
This is
Okay.
from shout out to Kuya
Amway.
Don.
Still Amway.
Yeah, Amway.
Company, but
Yeah.
Nutrilite.
He gave
Okay.
me that.
This is, what's this?
Kuya Don
What's the
Aganan
English?
rather, huh?
What's the English of this one? Sublanan sa...
Case. Medicine
of,
case.
Medicine case. Hindi ka siya ma-close, guys.
Now let me close it.
Thank you. Okay na. And then the last one, I guess... Here. Wala pa din ko na po isa. Of course, my coin purse. Just simple. She's so good. Coins.
Just a purse, but nothing inside.
Yeah. More cards. Cards, but not ATM card. But cards.
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 Just to share, these cards are Aurorama cards, Gaisano cards.
Orama, Gaisano, 7-Eleven, baka naman, Bukidnon, Milk Company. Okay. And then next is, cutest. What? This is from Kate Spade. Kate Spade, how are you there? Okay, this is a gift from my tita again in Canada. This
Very cute, actually.
Very
Very
cute.
classic.
classy, and this is good for. This is good when you go to church. It's minimalist kind of bag. And the last one is my
Pouch.
brown pouch. What's inside? First is my skincare. Again, we will let you know what's all of this.
This pouch? There's a lot of this in the UK, in the okay. But this one was given to me by my chuti. This is actually an airline. Like when you
Exclusive for airline.
like maybe for the
Korean Air.
business category.
Economy.
No, business. Maybe I don't know. I haven't tried on that
okay.
plane.
Okay, toner,
So,
hair oil.
okay.
My day cream.
Mhm.
We will have a review about this one. Watch out. And night cream. And what else? I have here mascara, lip tint, and what's this? Eyeliner. something.
Eyeliner.
Liquid
Liquid
eyeliner.
eyeliner.
Another penny. And disposable mask. Small to siya. Actually, inurit ni bungkag ako ang evidence.
So thank you, me, for sharing.
So much.
But actually, you'll have like the clothes and the underclothes, right?
Still.
And
trying
the sandal, and yeah, we're not gonna show. Oh, something is shown somewhere there. We'll just edit. Okay, so say bye.
Bye, everyone.
Nice one.